Wait for it, wait for it.
We're staying here. That's the restaurant. And ahead of we have
See, Sport Marine. We're gonna be right on the water.
that's the coffee. This is a coffee.
Here we go. Song begins.
There's really nothing to find.
Maybe the other side was better. I don't know. No, I think we're literally, when you look at the topographical, we get right out over it.
This one?
Like over the, if you look at the map, see? Like a man-made access right for just the railroad. See? There you go. Pretty cool, huh? There's the fishing boats. It's like, where were we, in Oregon? We were going across something like this, yeah.
Yeah.
But in a car. The driver stood up filming this side, that side, got a train, and there's a roadway over there, so it's not. This is the better side. So we're going out to an island. There goes the fisherman there. We're going to go to an island and then to another island.
So this is already another island.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course. Since we're
Venice.
crossing.
Yeah,
That's
Venice.
scary.
Venice
This is scary.
Yeah, it's nice. Why is it scary? I wonder what this is constructed of. I guess I bet it's all concrete. I don't know. Interesting. So this is the Mediterranean too. It's the same sea as where we were in Monaco. Old rusty cannons. So this place used to be its own little country. It was not part of Italy. Originally it was like its own city-state, kind of like Monaco, but then they got absorbed. I can't remember the reason why, but they should have stayed their own little country. They might as well have. They're even on their own island. But then meanwhile, look, there's even this little island is just bushes. Wonder why they never did anything with that. Interesting. I would have thought every single island would have been whatever, build a mansion on it or something. Yeah. There's a couple islands like that that are just trees. Santa Lucia. It's us. And then the real begins. So then I guess when they leave here, they just back out. Because there's no going any further. Boy, they got no room for error with sea level rise here, do they? Okay. Venezia.